Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss one more Power Query functionality, that is how can we replace certain values. So to do that, what we have to do is we have to go to this transform data. Under transform data, that will open us Power Query or edit query mode, and I have this table where I can have some commas which I can replace with certain values, and I have another example where I have commas and semicolons. So let's say in this one, I wanted to replace this semicolon, which is the odd one, because I rest of the places I have comma, and then maybe I can actually split it based on the comma. So I can actually, what I can do is I can right click on this column and I will say replace values. And in replace value, I can say semicolon and replace it with comma. And there are advanced option, match the entire cell content or replace using special character. Right now I don't need any of these things, so I'll continue and go ahead and replace it. So you can see one of the places where I had the semicolon, it got replaced. So this is the text which, this is the code which it has generated. So replace text table dot replace value, change type, and that we have the semicolon which we have replaced with the comma, and replacer dot replacer text for the column 1. Okay, so this is what we have done. Similarly here, what I can do is, here I can actually go ahead and replace the values. Let's say I want to replace the value a, let's say null. Let's say what happens. So you can see the value a has been replaced with null. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try few more of things. So replace value, let's say comma with semicolon. You can see all the commas has been replaced with semicolons. Similarly, let's say, let me do once more. Let me go ahead and say replace value, and I'm going to replace value a with null, and the only a which is getting replaced with null. And let's see, does it replace null with a? So if you have null value, so I'll call it as a null and I'll try to replace it with, let's say, b. So you can see I was able to replace. So if you have a null value, you can actually write down null, and if you want to convert it into null, you will be able to write down into null. See, this is the syntax. This is not in double quotes. This is, so what we can do is we can look into the advanced editor and into the scripts. So this is null is null in Power Query. This is not the text null. Okay, so that you can check it out. Means whenever you have some null value or blank value which you want to replace, you can use null for that. So try this out. I can do is I can replace, remove these steps which I don't need. But yes, here in this one, I can actually keep that step, the replace value. So try these things out. Do let us know what else you want to try in this series. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the new video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.